Yeah, I'll just do that. My job is done. You better do your job correctly. Alright dudes, my job is done. Now let me pick up my... Where is it again? Let me pick up my gun. My gun is somewhere here. Who picked my gun up? Okay, let me just go to one of my other targets. Oh, the rainforest. Everything looks so good. Hey fellas. Can I have this apricot?
Get out of here, right now.
Okay, you can have the apricot.
Okay.
Now I am lost in the forest. Oh, never mind. I'm back in the village. No, I'm not. Am I? I don't know. Yes, I'm still lost. Where am I supposed to go? Yes. Ooh, look at these guys. What are you guys doing? Look at this clown over here. Uncle, why are you doing yoga? Yoga ఏం చేస్తున్నారా?
In search of a spiritual release.
Okay.
Come on in. Feel free to join us.
Okay.
Everyone's
Oh.
eyes on the spirit.
Okay. I'll join you guys. Give me some of that soup.
So they're literally blind? Are you ready to try it out yourself?
Yes, I am already ready.
Lots of ideas here. Hey, you don't happen to have a magic marker, do you? They don't call me the prank master for nothing.
I'm afraid not.
Damn it.
What are you guys doing? Can I have that soup? Listen, I need some soup. Why I'm waiting here. Oh my god, I'm getting some strange noises here. Alright, let me just get out. Okay, you guys have fun meditating. I'll just leave. What's up, people? What is this poster? Oh, I got some other story. Okay,
So,
let me just follow the story.
The ever-classy Rico Delgado has commissioned a statue of himself to adorn the village square.
Ooh.
Today's unveiling ceremony will feature a local band, and Rico Delgado will attend in person. I suggest you take a closer look first.
Now it's time to...
This should be a unique opportunity to engage Delgado outside the walls of his compound.
Acha, acha, okay. What statue kartananta? Akkade vadiki samadhi kattali. Let's go. Oh, it's right over here.
Villagers to unveil some ridiculous statue.
Okay, what am I supposed to do here?
You're not allowed to pass.
Why not? Dude, I am sorry, but I must go. Okay? Am I allowed to pass now? Okay, no. No. Okay, dude. I'm sorry, but I have to do this to you. Hey, you see this knife over here? Now it is in your face. Let me take the knife back. Okay. Oh my god, I need a wrench. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. There is nothing here. No. Dude. Dude, there is nothing here. Why are you calling people? Let me take my knife back. I need a wrench now. Where will I get it? I have seen this wrench somewhere. Hey dude. I got something for you. Where the poster nadappa. Ooh. I can look through. All I see is just a stupid policeman. Hey dude. Oh, there is a wrench. There is a wrench. There is a wrench. I see a wrench. Hey dude, can I get in? I just need to pick.
Yeah.
Miami.
Hey, find another spot, Chico. This is.
Guys, let me tell you a little secret, okay? Let me tell you a little secret. You see this little knife over in my hand? Now it is in your head. Now, die. Just die. Yes. Now, let me take my knife back. And let me drag you a little bit. Right? Let me close the door. And you guys have a nice sleep. Alright, let us see what we can do with this statue. Hi policeman, how are you doing? Alright. Sabotage. Am I going to like destroy this? Is that what's going to happen? Ooh. No. Is it going to fall? Look at the 2 missing band members. Okay. 2 missing band members. Where are you? 2 missing band members. Where are you? Oh, the whole setting is just amazing. The whole hills and caves and everything. I just like this map. I just like this city. Look what I have, ladies and gentlemen, a frying pan. Is it worth it? No, it's not. What are these? Is there someone in here? Am I supposed to get in or something? But I cannot get in. Alright, I turn the fuse box off. What is gonna happen? Alright, now I can go. I see. What do I have here? Absolute nothing. Oh my god.
5 seconds to
Why am I overlooking gas? Oh, whoa. There is something here. Band member. Yes. Oh, now I am a band member. Okay, the last band member. Hey, my buddy. Alright. The last band member is somewhere over here. Okay. Oh, I see.
These workers are fucking idiotas.
Fucking idiotas. Oh, band member. Hey, dude. What's up, my man?
Ay, Dios mío. Ay, my head.
What happened to your head?
What a body.
Looks like it.
Holy shit. You shaved your head?
Yes, my man, I shaved my head.
You do the craziest things.
It was time for a change.
Oh, by the way, did you catch Raul? He talked about trying to take the midnight bus. That crazy fool didn't have any money. He must be by the cliffside.
Okay, alright. Let us go join the band. Pip, 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 pip. Let us begin the beat. Pip, 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 pip. Yeah, dum. Kottandra, modalpettandra. Oh my god. You are not even beating. Yeah, play the drums. That's a professional hitman out there. Is Ricardo coming? No, that is Andrea, right? Alright, forget her. We'll go to her later. ఇప్పుడు అది వచ్చి వాడు లాగంగానే వాడు నెత్తి మీద పడాలా నాకు తెలిసి అది జరిగేది ఓ ఈవెన్ ఆండ్రియా ఈస్ హియర్
People of Serpent, the saints are truly smiling upon you all. This is a day of celebration and joy.
Yes, Real celebration, it's time.
You a gift unlike anything you have ever seen. Remember, we are here to help you.
Yes, I am here to help you by making you rest in peace.
Be upon you day and night. We will protect you from the corruption of the big city and the crooked government. Rico Delgado has promised to me just this morning. Step up and become the patron saint of San Fortuna. So, as we wait for him to descend, take a moment to feel in your heart the natural gratitude and pride that comes from such a brother.
Mission story failed? Wait. No!
And protect you.
Oh my god. I get it. So Rico will go to the statue. So I must not leave bodies out there. My bad. Oh, there are 2 bodies here. Dudes, you are not supposed to stay here. Rico is being scared. You can stay here, my man. This is a nice place for you. Dude, if Rico is afraid of blood, then I don't know what to do. Dude, I will provide a better grave for you. Oh, there is a grave just for you. Nah, it is too open. Okay, here is a grave. Alright, stay here, my friend. This is a nice place to live. I mean, this is the nice place to rest in peace. Yeah, now I will join the band. You see, your boy is clever. We are just audience now. Let us see what is going to happen. I think Rico is going to mess that shit up and it is going to fall on Andrea. What?
No way. Hey, I found this weapon just lying on the ground.
Em chusara?
St. Carlos out here. Something's going on and I don't like it.
Uh-oh. Wait.
Rico Delgado has been eliminated.
Okay, liddhariki
Nicely done.
ఎవరి డౌట్ లేదు కదా? ఒరే డౌట్ వచ్చేసిందా? ఓకే, లేదు, నా దగ్గర వెపన్స్ లేవు. వెయిట్ బ్రెంచ్ తీసుకో. రే కాల్చుతారా ప్లీజ్ రా. ఒరే అంతే, అది కూడా తెచ్చిపోయింది. ఇంకేడి నుంచి పోవడమే, గుమ్ము ఏడి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోవడమే. డస్ట్ మార్చు. నువ్వు డ్రెస్ మార్చు. అంతే, లెట్స్ గో. అంతే, డ్రెస్ మార్చు. పికప్ ఏ బెటర్ గన్. అదే, please ra, dude, guys, please, I need to exit, please, guys, show some mercy. Guys, please, guys, dude, please, dude, why are you still alive, dude? No, guys, please, guys. ఓయ్ నన్ను పోనిండి రా, కష్టపడి చంపాను రా. హాయ్ అండి. ఓ మై గాడ్, ప్లీజ్ నో. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ నేను చేయాల్సింది దీన్ని ఎత్తుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ బాడీని డ్రాగ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఇవన్నీ కూడా వేసేసి ఇంకో మళ్ళీ వాడికన్నా కూడా ఎత్తేయాలన్నమాట. ఎత్తేసి ఇంకో గన్ను ఉంది కదా, ఆ గన్ను ఎత్తేసి ఇంకేం లేవు కదా ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకెళ్ళి డ్రమ్ములు వాయించాల. Bah. Clap it up, everyone. Clap it up for Rico.
My dear, once grateful people, it brings forward my
అంతా కదలే కానీ నువ్వు ముందు దారం లాగు. ఓకే డ్రమ్ రోల్ మర్చిపోయా
Rico Delgado has been eliminated. Nice.
Andrea is still alive. Excuse me, Andrea. Wait. Somebody is suspecting me? What?
I've got someone on the ground. Hold out.
Wait. Let me take the knife. Much better. And when nobody is seeing, well, actually,
What?
Oh yeah. So how about Luisa and
wait.
that of hers?
So she got into our house. So I must be a police. I need to get police outfit. The police is right over here. I remember. There is the police outfit again. Yeah. Now I can get in. Yes. Andrea, it's finally your time. What's up, buddies? Andrea నేడానికి వస్తున్నా, మీరు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారా? Wait, మామా ఆగు మామా, ఇది వస్తున్నాడు. ఇడికి కాదని తెలిసిపోయింది.
Hey, you got earplugs? Oh shit!
ఓకే, ఎవరు చూడలే కదా. ఎవరే చూసారా? అంతేరా, అందరికి తెలిసిపోయిందిరా మళ్ళా. వారిని ఆండ్రియా వెళ్ళిపోతుందిరా మళ్ళా. ఓకే పరిగెత్తు ఆండ్రియా నేయాల. పరిగెత్తు.
I see. I want to make
alright. ఇప్పుడు ఆండ్రియా ఇటు రాగానే వేసేయాలి.
She's apparently a really sweet, wealthy American woman.
Okay. No.
All targets neutralized.
Everybody తెలియదుగా.
Excellent work, 47. Now head for an exit.
ఎవరికి తెలియదు. Let me just blend in. లే చూడద్దు ప్లీజ్. ఎవరికి తెలియదు కదా. Yes, finally ladies and gentlemen, we are doing this. Hey dude, what's up?
You want to put that thing away?
Alright, I'll put that thing in your head. Get to the boat. Oh, I need to get in.
Say what?
What's up, my man? Alright, see you later, homies. It's been a fine journey, but it's finally my time to go. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we have successfully assassinated all the 3 people. There you go. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I'm shaking right now. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.